Hey, this is Brett, and today I'd like to walk through a couple quick free tips on how to generate color palettes for your potential website. And I'm going to use a tool from a company called Canva. You can think of it like a canvas. They offer a free color palette generator. They do this because they make money in other ways when you take your color palettes and want to print things, think paper or something of that nature. But they've got this great little tool where you can upload an image. It analyzes the image and then gives you some of the primary colors, or the main colors, not necessarily primary, colors that they have found in the image. So it's a very easy tool. You can then copy and paste the color codes that are there and use them throughout your website. And I've run a couple images. I've used my own logo, which is very old and due for a reboot through this. But from there, I've come up with a couple different colors. So you could imagine using a light color as a background and maybe a darker color for headers or something like that. And maybe some of these other items, other colors as accents in different places as well. Personally, I would prefer a dark black font for actual text. I wouldn't use any of these for fonts, but that wouldn't be out of the question either. And as you scroll down, you see Canva that is, they will point out a couple examples of what you might do with this down below, some images that could use some of the colors from the items they've had. I've done the same thing with a book site that I've been working on. I've been writing a fiction book for a number of years. It's kind of a part-time project and more a thing of joy than it is a thing of results at this point in time. But if I wanted to come up with some colors to theme my website based on the book cover design, I could run this through it again, and again I could come up with some great fonts. In this case, I might actually use this dark olive green for a font color, and there's a number of different options here that I could use. I could envision a background color with a silver, and maybe a conversion button with this dark khaki, this light green color here, and lots of other options from there. And of course, they give you examples below. If you wanted to check out some of their products, I have not used their services myself, but they do have lots and lots of products that they offer. You can have a number of different things printed based on the colors from these images and go from there. And you could have infographics done, or brochures, or freebies to send out, or postcards, all sorts of different things. And there's lots of services out there. I'm mostly just pointing this out to figure out how to get some of the colors you might want for your website. So just a quick little tip and a freebie. You can find this at canva.com/color palette. And if you try out their service, let me know what you think, good, bad, or otherwise. Thank you much.